Good evening. Introduce, my name is Satria Fadil Muhammad, Class B from Information Technology Study Program with NIM 222520100. On this occasion, I will present the application that my team and I have made, namely the new student admission application. So basically, the application that I made includes a registration page, an entrance exam page, and checking student data that is registered and passed. The registration page is used as a page for filling in student data. The entrance examination page is intended as an additional selection test if the prospective student national exam results are less than the specified condition. For the data checking page, it is used to check registered student data. If students do not pass the selection, then student data will not be registered. The syntax I use includes arrays, repetition, auto looping, branching, arithmetic, and much more. Without waiting long, I will immediately run the application that I have made. This is the initial appearance of my application. I will immediately choose option 1 to fill in new student data. After successfully registering, I will check student data that has been registered. Because my national exam scores were very good, I didn't need to be selected using an entrance exam. That is my presentations regarding the new student admission application program. Hopefully, you get knowledge that can be learned, and if there are errors in delivery, please forgive. That's all from me, and thank you.